A fourth complainant has taken the stand at the sexual assault trial of Canadian billionaire Frank Stronach. Shauna Hunt is live outside the University Avenue courthouse. Shauna, once again, disturbing testimony in court today.
Yeah, that's right, Alan. This complainant detailed a summer night back in 1983 when she claims she was raped by the business mogul, saying it left her feeling degraded and humiliated. And once again, these allegations were centered around Stronach's waterfront condominium here in Toronto. And we have to warn you that some of the details in this story are graphic. The woman, now in her 60s, told the court she was looking out a wall of windows at Stronach's waterfront condo when he accosted her from behind and began fondling her breasts. "I'm horrified, thinking this can't be real," she testified. "Someone I trusted, a friend of my father's." According to the complainant, she was home from university that summer and took a job at one of Stronach's companies after her mother made a call to the business tycoon and family friend. The woman told the court she thought it was nothing more than a nice gesture when Stronach invited her out to dinner and then up to his condo to, quote, "see the view." The woman, emotional at times, continued to describe the night she claims ended with her being raped. She recalls feeling drunk after having gin and tonics at dinner and recounts somehow ending up in the bedroom face down on the bed, telling the court in her initial statements to police she said she didn't know how she got there, but after thinking about it, she must have walked. "Like a lamb to a slaughter," she said. "It was painful to process that I just walked in," adding, "It's so painful that I did nothing to save myself." She then recalled being penetrated from behind, remembering her cheek against the bed, and described Stronach's alleged actions as so clinical and methodical, telling the court, "I just thought he's done this before." It was during this part of the testimony when Justice Anne Malloy called 2 extended recesses, putting the trial on pause after the complainant several times referred to her statements to police, her evolving memories, and to preparatory meetings she had with the Crown before taking the stand, an issue Stronach's defense team had already raised before trial began, arguing that prosecutors may have improperly coached complainants during those meetings, something the Crown denies. When court resumed, the complainant was grilled under cross-examination about phrases prosecutors said she should avoid during testimony and how a memory gap about how she got to the bedroom would be viewed as an omission. Lawyer Lior Shemesh went on to suggest the complainant's father never knew Stronach, as she claimed, and there's no evidence she ever spent time at the Stronach family home or farm as a child. This is the 4th of 7 women expected to take the stand. Stronach, who is now 93 years old, has denied all the allegations against him. Now, that legal hurdle that popped up in court is likely far from over. Stronach's defense team has said that they intend to file a stay of proceedings, meaning that at the end of the trial, the justice can decide to indefinitely pause the case without a verdict. At this point, though, cross-examination is expected to continue on Friday. In Toronto, Shauna Hunt, City News.